Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your earnings on WP Engine, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your WP Engine account by visiting their official website. Enter your credentials on the login page and click on the login button. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can see your account details. Locate the billing section in the left sidebar and click on it. In the billing section, find and select the Billing History tab. Here, you will see a summary of your past transactions. Identify the transaction that corresponds to the earnings you want to recover. Click on the transaction to view its details. Take note of any relevant information such as the date, amount, and description. Next, head over to the Support section, typically found in the top menu. In the Support area, look for the Contact or Submit a Ticket option. Click on this option to initiate a support request. Fill out the required fields in the support ticket form. In the subject line, clearly state that you are seeking to recover earnings. In the description area, provide a detailed explanation of the transaction you want to recover. Include all necessary information, including the transaction ID and date. Review your ticket for accuracy before submitting it. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation email acknowledging your request. Monitor your email for updates from WP Engine regarding your recovery request. Be sure to respond promptly to any follow-up questions they may have. Wait patiently while your request is being processed. You will receive a notification once your earnings recovery has been completed. Review your account balance to confirm that the funds have been successfully added. If you encounter any issues, you may want to reach out again through the support section. Keep all correspondence related to the issue for your records. This thorough approach ensures you can effectively recover your earnings on WP Engine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.